Day 4, taking a boat taxi to a more remote beach called Lichnos. Hello, we are on the beach now and it's really nice, it's quiet, water is super clear. We're trying a new beach today. Yesterday I think I spent about 4 or 5 hours in water in total. I got the wildest burns, everything hurts. So today I'm going to swim with my linen shirt on to protect myself. I've also applied 50 SPF sunscreen just to be safe. As always, it's just a little cold when you first go in, especially because it's been really hot. There's a lot of tree bark in the water, but I've noticed that that's usually the case the first part of the day, and then the waves clear it all out. Woo! Iată de rece! Te deranjează că filmez? Ar trebui să intru. Rece? Parcă e mai rece ca ieri. Un pic. Un pic. Dar nu foarte. Îmi place apa aici. E mai nisipos. Și nu mai e atât de clar fundul, dar e foarte plăcut. Am uitat să-mi scot inelele. I can't even see the bottom. Burning calories to earn all the cereals and the ice cream. I love Greece. This is so fun. 1, 2, 3, go. One, two, three, go. So tired. I'm gonna take a break now.